Hi, in this video lecture we are talking about training artificial neural networks, and this will be a short one just giving some kind of definitions and high-level guidance on what's going on when you train. In the next video following this one we will talk much more about how do you actually set up the training in Python. So a neural network again is a machine learning algorithm, and basically it's very coupled with optimization. Essentially, to train a neural network, you are just fitting a mathematical model to data, and you do that fitting essentially using the principles of optimization that we've covered in the last couple of modules. So in a neural network, we have what is called a loss function. So this is the thing you want to optimize. In prior videos on machine learning, we talked about minimizing the sum of squared error between our model and our data. And so this loss function could be something like the sum of squared error. And so loss functions, you can select these typically based on the machine learning algorithm. So just some examples, some regression examples. You could have your loss function be the mean squared error between y hat, where y hat would be your model estimate, and y, which it would be the actual measured data. You could also have the mean absolute error or the mean percentage error, just to give some examples. Typically for a regression problem, you're trying to minimize error between your model estimates and the actual data. So we have these decision variables. These would be the weights and biases, or these are the parameters in your artificial neural network model. So just as a refresher from the last time, our artificial neural network model really ends up being something that looks like this for a simple 3-layer perceptron. And again, that 3-layer perceptron means we have our inputs, we have our one hidden layer with all those different activation functions. For this particular model, our activation function would be the hyperbolic tangent. And then we have our output layer here, which is represented by omega. So really at the end of the day, our overall function is a summation of all of this information as it passes through from inputs. It's multiplied by the weights, the biases are added, it's passed through the activation functions. More weights are multiplied, and then we sum all those up to give us our output. So that is how we get our model estimate. Our model estimate feeds into our loss function, and we are iterating over all of these parameters essentially until we get the best fit to our data as defined by the loss function that we suggest. So when you're fitting a neural network model, you're basically just solving an optimization problem. The language can be a little bit different. One of the terms that's used is an epoch. So an epoch is essentially when the optimizer has had the chance to go through each individual data point in your sample. So you can kind of think of these as iterations that the optimizer is taking, that with each epoch it is updating those weights and biases, those model parameters, and each time it is minimizing your loss function. So here's an example of what some training performance data might look like. So you would see that here our loss function is the MSE, or the mean squared error, but we're also tracking the mean absolute error. So the mean squared error is what we're trying to minimize in this example, but mean absolute error also tends to be reduced as mean squared error is reduced. So here we have our loss function, or this error, on the y-axis, and we're just showing with each epoch, or with each iteration and pass through the data, the optimizer is getting better and better estimates for those model parameters that give us the best fit to our data. So as we jump in to the next couple of videos where I'm actually going to show you how to do the training in Python, you'll know a little bit more what I'm talking about as I go through. Thank you.